Hey guys, welcome to Genius Tech. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how to upgrade your Realme smartphone to Realme UI if you haven't received any updates via OTA. In 2020, it's not a good look given the fact that Realme UI is quite a refined experience over the ColorOS 6 and the 6.1 versions. The road to Android 10 update map rolled out by the company hasn't met the users' expectations quite well. As you can see, the phone I have here, Realme X2 Pro, is still running on Android 9 Pie. Here are a few simple steps you need to follow to update your device. As you can see on the screen, this is Realme's official website where Realme has uploaded all the software updates for each and every phone. Every model and series Realme has released till date will be available here. The link will be in the description box below. Download the update package which meets your phone's requirements. Once the package is downloaded and is ready for install, go to the file manager and click on phone storage. Scroll down, you will find a downloads folder where you will find the downloaded package. Click on it and it will prompt you to update. I would recommend you to first back up your phone and the important files you don't want to lose. Once the update has started, the phone will restart and the process may take anywhere between 5 minutes to 10 minutes. Once the update is complete, here's a fresh look of the Realme UI on board with Android 10. And guys, please don't worry, it's completely safe and you will continue to receive future updates from Realme via OTA. Here's an important note guys, some of the older models of Realme will be stocked at ColorOS 6 and won't support the latest Realme UI. Also, some phones, despite of being upgraded to the Realme UI, won't get the Android 10 update. If you found this video helpful, a sub to the channel would be massively appreciated. Until next time, take care and stay safe.